I'm Princess.
And I'm the Goob, and this is
Gulps'N'Games.
I didn't know how she was going to do that one. She went really long on it.
Okay. Sure.
Anyways, as always, this is the weekly channel where we try out different drinks, give our opinions on them, a little background sometimes on them, and then we play a game, a new game or a new-ish game, give a little how-to on it. Mm-hmm. So this is our third and final week of St. Julian. Well, I shouldn't say final. We might have St. Julian's again in the future.
It's the third part of our series.
Okay.
Okay, let's try these wines.
So, first off...
Actually, the first one's a champagne.
Well, it's a sparkling wine. So this one is exotic aromas of mango, melon, and pear leap from the glass. Crisp acidity and a perfect touch of sweetness create the impeccable framework on which flavors of mouthwatering peach, pineapple, and lemon zest dance on the palate.
Hey, I didn't dance.
You dance.
I danced when I said dance in the last video.
Do the dance of mouthwatering wine.
Give me some raw. I don't know.
Bring your glass over here.
Are you? I'm not Nielsa. Only our puppet friends will get that.
So we didn't try this one the last time when we tried all the other ones to make sure that we could go along with the video, only because it's a sparkling, and I know with these champagne wines, once you open them, they go flat pretty quickly, so we didn't want to open it and have it be flat for our video. It is called Sweet Nancy Sparkling Treminette. Sweet Nancy. You know any Nancys?
Yeah, I danced with a Nancy. And then my mom had an employee Nancy that I worked with back in the day, in my early 20s. Okay, anyways.
So you always, you look at it,
Mm-hmm.
I see the bubbles, you swirl it.
Oh, I worked with a Nancy at the very end, too.
Smell it just smells like any other wine to me. White wines tend to all smell alike to me. I mean, she says the same thing.
It smells like a juice. Like a mix between apple and pineapple juice. It doesn't taste like champagne.
Mm-mm.
Is that just because it's a sparkling wine?
Well, yeah, it's a sparkling wine, not really champagne.
It's good. I really like it.
I think it's supposed to taste like Asti Spumante.
But that has like a champagne taste to it.
Well, I can see the bubbles. I'm just...
Yeah. I can see the bubbles too, but it tastes definitely more like wine than champagne.
It fizzes in your tongue too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It does. On to the next one. I think it's the amount of water. Because last video I did it really good. The video before that I did it horribly. So let's get more water this time.
I'm going to put that right there.
That's it. It's the amount of water.
This next one is called On the Town. Why don't you go ahead and read about On the Town?
On the Town. Beautiful aromas of lychee, pineapple, and melon notes. A delightful wine full of exotic fruit flavors with a round yet crisp body and excellent balance. I don't know what lychee is.
Lychee?
Is.
I don't know what lychee is.
Nope.
Tell us in the comments what lychee is.
Aromas of lychee.
I should have looked that up. I didn't know that word was on there.
On the town. We can't be in the town right now. Well, maybe by the time you guys watch this video will be on the town.
This one goes out to my nephew. It's his birthday this day. Happy birthday, Toby. I'm sorry that you're probably not really getting to do anything with it, because even though everything should be open by now, probably still isn't really open.
Well, I guess we'll find out on his birthday. Yeah. So cheers. Happy birthday, Toby. That is really, like, what is it considered for white wine? Like, is it a Riesling, a beef porter? What is it? Does it say on the bottle?
Sweet white wine.
That's probably why I like it, even though it's white. It's just a sweet white.
That's all it says. A wildly delicious white wine.
It is delicious. I don't know if it's wild.
I didn't know that there was a place called Pawpaw, Michigan. My grandpa, on my mom's side, we've always called him Pawpaw. I didn't know there was a Pawpaw, Michigan. Probably no connection.
Probably not. Are we going to move on?
Yep.
Okay.
And our final one is a red, which interestingly they recommend you chill it. Usually reds aren't chilled, but it's probably because it's a sweet red.
It's possible. We've had other red wines that were sweeter, but I think we still drink them dry.
Yep.
Even though
I
they
do
recommend it being chilled.
I do just have a
Not dry.
suggestion.
We drink them. What is that word besides dry? If they're not cold, they're warm. They're warm.
Yeah, room temperature.
Yes.
I do have a suggestion for people that make the wine labels. If it's a bottle that's supposed to be chilled, maybe put chilled somewhere on the corner of a label or something, because not everyone knows.
Well, we didn't know that until the lady
yeah,
in the video.
we watched the video and saw it, because to us, we always thought reds you drink room temperature, and whites you chill. So we didn't even realize that this one was supposed to be chilled, so we immediately went and stuck it in the fridge. But yeah, just if you stick it somewhere on the label, just for people like us that don't really know, it's helpful. So I'm sure there's probably a lot of wines that we drink that we should have chilled but didn't, just because we didn't know. So did you read?
I didn't know I was supposed to.
No, you don't have to. I can read. Do you want to read?
I can.
Okay.
Native Root Red. Intense and vibrant with a showy fruitness up front. This wine offers snappy, grapey scents that echo fresh grape juice. Faint hints of cherry peaks on a dense, complex finish.
This was not the one. We said last week we thought it was this week's. It was last week's red that smelled like popcorn. This one smells like grape jelly. But it was probably because it had sat all night and
that one didn't smell like popcorn.
It probably was because it was freshly opened. It smelled like popcorn. This one doesn't smell like popcorn either.
Maybe because last night it was late at night and
yeah,
we thought it smelled like popcorn. I was 100% sure. I can kind of smell it.
This one smells like grape jelly, and it tastes sweet like grape jelly. I'm a grape jelly man myself. Occasionally I'll have strawberry jelly, but the seeds bother me every now and then. So it's like grape jelly. I can just go to town and a jar of grape jelly and a jar of peanut butter, But strawberry jelly is sitting in our fridge forever.
Another thing you didn't really need to know, but you know now.
That is something you now know.
Yup.
Could write a book about me.
What
All right.
a boring book that would be. Oh, we didn't. Maybe that was a problem. We didn't do this.
Oh, we did forget to drink in between the two, but that's not going to change the taste of it being grape jelly. So this week we are playing a classic game, but with a twist. Monopoly Cheaters Edition. This one came out, what, 2 years ago?
I don't know what the box says. Let me look while you're looking. Maybe it says it on the outside. I'm not seeing a copyright date.
So it comes with this fun pair of handcuffs that you, when you're in jail, you have to put on. And you just slide it anywhere along the board, so you don't even have to have jail right next to you. Copyright's probably on the bottom of the box that I have.
The game is made in the U.S. with the handcuffs
2017.
are made in China.
So it was 2 Christmases ago.
Okay. Doesn't this go on?
Welcome back. My phone stopped recording, but we got it back up. So you didn't really miss anything. We just got to play the game now. So.
Who goes first? Me. I got a 6. You got a 5.
Yeah. So I don't know. You can go ahead. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the difference between this game and the regular one is you have these cheat cards. It's things like this one is identity theft. On your turn, move another player's token instead of your own. Once you do that, when the very next person rolls their die, if no one caught you and said, "That's not your token, I think you're cheating." Did you get away with it? Tokens stay where they are. The person whose token you moved pays you $100. But if you got caught, the player whose token you tried to move puts theirs back and may place your token anywhere on the board and immediately follow the rules of that space, meaning they can put you in the go to jail space and make you go to jail.
Move spaces. Move 3 spaces backwards. So please move me 3 spaces backwards.
Baltic Avenue, $60.
I'll buy it. Baltic Avenue. Where are you? Oh, here it is. I cheated.
Yeah, I know she did.
I read the wrong chance card. Or I made it up. Because we have a cheat that says, where is it? Instead of doing what's written on your chance card, do whatever you want. And I said that I had to move back 3 spaces. And it really was, if you were frame another player, if you were caught cheating, play this card to cancel the penalty, then send any player to jail.
She got away with it, that's all. Congrats. She didn't get any benefit from that other than that she got to do what she said it did. But if she had gotten caught, she would have had to pay me $200.
Man, that sucks.
Alright, so I rolled 7. And I'm going to buy that for 100.
What are you doing there?
Cheating.
I think you cheated.
So I got caught. That's not the one. Slippery deed, steal a title card from another player or the bank. If I had gotten away with it, I would have gotten to put a hotel on there. But since I got caught, I had to return the title deed and pay her $100.
I don't remember if we said that you're your own bank in here.
You are your own bank. That's how they do it. That way you can try to steal things from it. So everyone's in charge of doing the banking themselves.
You gotta put another cheat thing
I
on
do
it.
need to put another cheat thing on there.
What is it?
Connecticut Avenue.
How much is it? 100?
120.
120?
If you go to jail, they have this little handcuff thing. You slide the flat part underneath the board so you can put it wherever you're at, and then you handcuff yourself onto it. And one of the cheat cards is escape. So you're supposed to distract them and sneak out of it, but it's really hard to do when it's just 2 of us playing. I think if there was like 4 or 5 of us playing, it'd probably be a little easier to do.
You knocked me over. Still knocked over.
You just put a house on them. You're cheating.
What are you talking about?
You're cheating.
Alright, I cheated.
And you moved yourself. You're on Connecticut.
I didn't try to. Well, you had me laying down, so I went to the one that was mostly on.
Anyways, she was trying to do the unsolicited contract. Replace a hotel from the bank or another player's property on any one of your own properties. If she had gotten away with it, she would just would have gotten to keep the hotel. But since she got hot, she has to pay me $100 and put the hotel back. So as you see, it's just a fun version of it. There's a lot of ways to cheat, things that we've already done in the past. I mean, I don't know about you, but I've cheated at Monopoly, and usually once a couple turns go around, there's really nothing anyone can do about it anyways.
Yep.
So that's it. As always, please share this video with your friends, like it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to it. If you have any suggestions for games, please put them down in the comments. We read all the comments that we get, and we're definitely looking for suggestions. Drinks too, if you have any drinks you'd like to see us try. And please come again next week.
Yes.